everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a haul of peachpuddlesco stickers today. I have been sent everything that I ordered pretty much in one go, and I just thought that some of the stuff is so gorgeous that I just had to jump on and share it all with you. It's not Beth's fault, she had a lot going on, so she was a bit late in getting her PR Girls autumn orders out that came from the Planner Circle sale. I think I mentioned in one of my other videos that I was waiting for 2 orders, and this was one of them, so it did come a bit later than everybody else that was getting theirs was all on Instagram and stuff, and I was like, oh my god, where's mine? But Beth explained that she just couldn't do it at the time. She had a lot going on, so I've had to wait a little bit of time for that, but the other ones are things that I've ordered more recently, so I just thought I'd take you through so you can see a bit of a selection of what's in the shop really. You can use my discount code if you want to, it's in the description box down below. You'll save 10% off a £5 order and get a free sampler, and there's loads and loads of stuff in the shop. She's also changed her sheet size, so they will now fit inside a small Simply Gilded album, which I have one here that is crammed full of my Halleys. Some of these have been used. The older sheets I have cut down to size to fit in, but the newer ones do fit in the albums quite nicely. So hopefully, well, in fact, she probably will fill up the rest of this album, and I'll end up buying another one. I know what I'm like, to go for that. So that's the new design. So let's start with perhaps I'll tell you what I'll start with. I'll start with the PR pack. So this is the one that I did not pay for. Everything else I have paid for out of my own money. Now, this is what has been provided to me, for me to promote the shop, for me to use and give feedback and that sort of thing. I did have a sneaky peek because I knew that there was something in here that I wanted to show on Instagram, which actually was this one. So this was a sneak peek that I wanted to show for the Halloween release of the Hallie post-it notes and the little pens. You would have seen this one before in one of my videos as well. I did a sneak peek on another video, but this was the one that I fished out of that pack. But the rest of the pack included these little mandala colouring like foil leaves. I just think they're so cute. And you can basically just colour in each layer as you want to, just a little bit of mindfulness and that kind of thing. And this Cadbury purple foil that Beth has got going on, I just think it's gorgeous, and I think I'm probably going to end up ordering some like Christmassy bits in that colour. And then this is something else from the autumn release, so it's candy corn, fuzzy socks, pumpkin spice and sweater weather. Just some little signs there. I haven't really used any autumn stickers yet, so I think I'm going to need to cram those in after Halloween before we hit winter. And then there's a birthday release, so there's some paper chains there. I think I've actually shown you this before because I used this sticker on my Hallie Galaxy spread. So I'm sorry I'm going through this again, actually. It's only just occurred to me, but unplanned videos. Yeah, so there's some birthday banners there with every colour of the rainbow, and then that's the other birthday banner as well that you've seen before. Sorry, you've seen this before, I completely forgot. But never mind, let's move on. So the next thing that I have got is the autumn release. So the autumn release contained a bundle, and I had to have the bundle. Every time Beth puts out a new bundle of something, I have to have it. I have to have all the die cuts, I have to have all the Halleys. I just absolutely love her. Look at how cute she is. So these are like one of my favourite, that is probably one of my favourite ones of Hallie. It's just her playing in the leaves. And actually I did this with my daughter at the weekend as well. We went to the woods and we just threw some leaves in the air and danced around and ran around like loons, and it was perfect. It was a lovely, lovely day. So that for me is just wonderful. And then there's all sorts of, you know, other ones as well. There's a pumpkin there and it's got my name in foil on it, which is really cute. Hallie on a pumpkin stand, just there, and then Hallie with a pile of pumpkins next to her and holding a pumpkin, really cute. And then Hallie in like a basket of apples, just like apple bobbing, which is really sweet. And then this one, so Beth does a like limited run of the jar die cuts. It's her like signature for the shop. So every so often, depending on the theme, she does a jar based die cut. Hopefully I've got one more to show you as well, but that's the like limited edition one for the autumn. That's my sampler sheet, so if you use my discount code, then this is one of the things that you will get in that pack. And you get like Hallie with a little camera and Hallie asleep, like enjoying her sleep mask. I love the Hallies, I have to use them all. And then this one is like autumn quotes, so I just think the foil on this is lovely. It's like rose gold, autumn vibes, autumn days, fall is in the air, fall in love. I just think they're really gorgeous. Again, all of these sorts of things, I love the autumn. So I've got 2 sheets of Hallie and Leaves. I have a feeling I ordered a separate sheet of these because I really, really liked them, but it might be that you just get an extra sheet. I can't remember. The sale was quite a long time ago. Autumn's my favourite season. I say that, but I love Christmas. So this sort of time of year is like my favourite time of year because it's also my birthday around now as well, and my daughter's birthday now. So this time of year is just great. There's loads going on for us normally. Yeah, so I just, you know, I saw some of these things and I just had to have them all. Then this one is like the little autumn sunflowers just there. And then mini version of Hallie holding all the pumpkins. And then this is like a kind of a centerpiece, like an autumnal centerpiece. It actually reminds me of my sister's wedding. She had something very similar for her wedding. And then little versions of the Hallie pumpkin stall. This is the autumn freebie that was being given away. I think I've shown this in another video as well. And this is one of my favourite stickers because Hallie in the leaves. Hallie dressed as a squirrel. It's super cute. And then I ordered some more Peeping Hallies because she's my favourite. These are the original colouring mandalas. So the foil ones are shaped like leaves. And you can colour them in if you want to. But these will probably be slightly easier to colour in because you haven't got to contend with the foil when they're slightly bigger. These are the old style sheets, so I expect that they will come in the new style sheet shortly. And then Hallie doing her apple bobbin, Hallie as a squirrel, and then an autumn shelf. So that's all of the autumn release. So then the next one is what I ordered in the birthday release. But I was really hopeful this would be here by my birthday. It's unfortunate that it wasn't, but I'm sure that there'll be another birthday or they'll just wait till next year. I loved the Galaxy Hallie. I had to have the little journal card to go along with it, so that's one of the things that I ordered. Then green is my favourite colour, so I went for my birthday in green. And then I've got the foil mandalas in the leaf shape, but I went for red this time because I really love that red foil. I just think it's gorgeous. And then little Hallie in a party hat and some cupcakes to go along with it. She's just so cute. How can you not love her? And then here, she's like doing a little celebration. Look, I could have done with that one for my mum's birthday as well, couldn't I? Never mind. Yeah, and then Hallie coming out of a present box. And then again, another one of my samplers. And then Hallie in a jar in the birthday hat. So this is what I'm talking about, where there's a limited like version of these. I've got a couple more, in fact. I'll show you the other ones. So that one's Beach Hallie that she did in the summer. I'm pretty sure there's some more as well, but I haven't got them to hand. But yeah, so that one didn't come with this order, but that is everything that I ordered and paid for, and my PR pack. And then the final thing I want to talk to you about is what I actually paused one of my previous videos for to talk to you about. I've actually sent off for mine, I've paid for it, made my donation to charity, is the charity bundle. So the charity bundle is being used this month throughout October to raise money for the Royal British Legion. The bundle costs £10. If you contact Beth by social media, so Facebook, Instagram, whatever it may be, and you can order your bundle from her directly rather than through the shop. It will not be on the shop. It will not be released again at any point in time. It is just whilst this charity fundraiser is going on. And it includes postage. If you pay by friends and family, then the whole £10 get given to the charity. You can pay by goods and services as well, because Beth understands that some people want to do that for their own protection. It just means that less money will go to the charity. So it's entirely up to you what you want to do. If you want to go and order one, that's how you do it. And this is what you get. So you get a little Hallie die cut, just holding a poppy. Super cute. Love her, love her. And then this one is the jar die cut, again to go with the other limited run die cuts. And then you get some poppies. Now she's doing these in 2 foil colours. I went for red. The red is to memorialise the soldiers that were lost in the war. And she's also offering the Cadbury purple, which is this colour. If you can see that in the light, hopefully you can. In this colour, but the same, you know, design. So it's still the poppies, so that to memorialise the animals that were lost in the war, which I think is really cute. And then there's some Hallies holding poppies, and then the poppy headers as well. So these are the poppy fundraiser sheets you get. You get 3 sheets, you get a die cut, and you get Hallie holding a poppy for £10. And it's all going to charity. There's no profit involved for Beth, which I think is just a wonderful thing to do, as well as giving you some really, really cute limited edition products. So if you wanted to go ahead and get your charity bundle, then I will link to Beth's Instagram page down below, where you can go and contact her to get hold of this and work out how to get the money to her as well. As I say, it's entirely up to you, but just £10 donation will get you that. And hopefully we will get the total at the end of the month when it all gets donated to the Royal British Legion, and that will be posted on the Facebook group. So perhaps I'll link the Facebook group down below. That might also be an easier way for you to contact Beth, I don't know. So I'll put them both in the description box down below. But yeah, so that's my crazy Peach Puddles haul. I think I am definitely going to need a new album to cover all of these. I've only just got this one as well, so I'm a bit gutted that I didn't order something bigger, but you know, such is life. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this haul video, and see you next time. Take care.